Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can verify your ID on Cash App. So in order to verify your ID on Cash App, all you need to do is just follow the instruction as guided and make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. So in order to verify your ID on Cash App, all you need to do is just follow the instruction as guided. Now, before we begin with the procedure, all you have to do is just open up or log into your Cash App account. So once you're logged into your Cash App account, this is how it's going to look like. So then to verify your account, it begins from the very first step, that is by verifying your email or your phone number. So once you receive a verification code that indicates you've successfully verified your contact info, after you're done creating an account, you can verify it with your ID. So in order to verify it with ID, all you have to do is just tap the profile icon located in the top right hand side corner. On the other interface, go to security and privacy. Under it, you'll be able to see an option as to verify identification section. So if you have not verified it, then tap the verify button. Make sure to go to the prompt and follow the instruction as guided, and accordingly you can verify your ID on Cash App. So that is how simple it is to verify your ID on Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.